good? It's the real Lizzie Naswick, the MC with the Hennessy scheme-sized Lalela. I'm definitely sure that you guys have missed me, and I am back. I'm back with the bang. Yababa yashisa go hot go litis. This is colors. This is tetema. This is Shuba on this very episode of Angisakufuni. And I don't want you anymore. But it's a heartbreak or a makeup. We don't know how it's going to turn out, but do stay tuned and catch us on all social media platforms: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and of course your YouTube. I know you guys missed me. I'm here and it's a new show for me. But it does not end here. Loudspeaker. It won't stop until it goes down. And you can see I am as plain as my old self. The makeup. But hey, it is what it is before it was what it was. Do stay tuned and don't forget to follow us on all social media platforms. Siabuya. Danko. Welcome back from the break, Buffet. It is what it is before it was what it was. This is Angisakufuni. This is where we bring a couple that shares to the other party. Uguti, listen, anuklavi says or anuklavi puti or angokufuni puti angokufuni zizi. This is where things happen. Yeah, it's really up to them. Uguti, do they want to make up or they want to break up? So we are known for Umjolo the pandemic. On this very show, we are known for Umjolo the pandemic and Umjolo uyanyisa. But on this episode, we've got. I'm going to start with singing Mlindo the vocalist song. Of course, I've got Ugiven on the show, and if you don't allow us to do it now, I don't know when you're going to allow us, but can you please give Ugiven a warm welcome onto the show? Hello, Given.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good, and you?
I am good, thank you. Welcome to our show.
Hello.
Okay, please tell us a bit about yourself. Who's Given? What do you do? Where do you come from?
Like Given, Limpopo, self-employed, BEE.
Wait, triple BEE. Yeah. Black man in power, black man in business. Yeah. That's nice. Well, it's nice to meet you, and it's nice to know a little bit about yourself. So please kindly tell us, since you're a BEE, what's your type?
My type?
Are you looking into successful women? Are you looking into just, housewives? What's your type?
Anyone can do. Anyone can do. If she wants to work, then she can work. If she doesn't want to work, still okay. Okay. And then do you think that since you are an entrepreneur, do you think that money provides love? Enough love, maybe? No, money doesn't provide love.
Yeah.
You can have all the money, but yet so it cannot work.
Okay, yeah, that's true. I definitely vouch for that. Right. So Given, please tell us a little bit about your relationship. Who are you dating? Who's this girl? And why usatlolo omobadla angsamfuni? Why?
No, muto ukrile ma 2000. So I saw balance sharp.
Okay. So before we go into Hore Yena Ukrilema 2000, this person, how old is she?
About 25.
25. Yeah. And do you mind if we can ask how old you are?
I'm between 30 and 40.
30 and 40. It's not such a bad thing. It's a good age gap.
It's a normal gap.
Right? And Nakona, love does not go by age, I'd like to believe.
No way.
So tell us a little bit about your relationship, where it started, where did you guys meet?
No, Rukopani Ali wait one of the restaurants. Nekele Kenali meeting with other BEE entrepreneurs.
Okay.
So I will wait.
Okay.
I love the smile.
Oh, nice. Okay.
Yeah.
That's interesting.
That's the type that I'm looking for.
And then take us through to after you met her, and now you are in a relationship with her.
No, well, the 22 minutes on my boats. Yes, we were in a good relationship until something is going. It's not going according to what we agreed on. She was starting to be busy. every time you know ngadi shift it tabushe chaisha late khanti, then somebody else is bringing her. Really blessanyana somewhere. I'm not sure.
Yeah. Okay. And then would you say that you were stable in your relationship? Was it a solid relationship, or was it something that you thought probably after 2 weeks, probably after a month, it's not going to work?
No, now it was working for a while until I got this fidelity.
Okay.
That's why I get stressed too much the BEE meetings and stuff. But then something really peace.
Yeah, that's true. And then Hopela Wujisha, have you ever cheated before?
No, I don't.
You don't cheat?
No, I don't.
At all?
No.
Indota must not cheat. That's the keyword. That's very interesting given. Yes. And then take us to, since you started noticing these changes, do you think it's healthy in a relationship? Do you think it's something that you can be able to work it out? Because I believe that if and then just find out more on what the core problem is, do you think you are giving her enough time, or what do you think might be the problem?
No, we work in different hours. So sometimes she's at work. When she's at home, now I am at work.
Okay. So
she's not ready for a stable relationship.
Okay.
That's why she's going for my 2000 in
Ish, my 2000 is a problem. Hey, my 2000 is a problem. So given, I think my one last question to you is, are you guys living together?
Yes, we're living together now.
Okay.
At the moment.
Okay. And you are sure, Wuti, awusamfuni?
Yeah, no, I'm done.
So are you going to move on into another relationship? How long is that going to take you? Maybe to heal? Do you need time to heal?
I'll need time to heal.
Okay.
So, how we meet and what we agree on.
Are you sure, Wuti? Awusamfuni? Because when we call her in and you tell her Angisakufuni, that's the end of it.
Yeah, it's the end of it.
Are you sure?
Yeah. No.
Is this the decision you want to take?
That's the decision I'm taking.
Okay. All right. This is what I said, Uguti. It's really up to the couple, Uguti. Do they make up or do they break up? Marana Kona CMTV SA is known for the pandemic, and this is where we bring the heat, the level up. Shiso, Ziatetema, Ziakala, Zigu loudspeaker. This is Angisakufuni, and I am the real Nizi Nasbik, the MC with the Hennessy scheme size. Sasayagu break, Siabui. Welcome back from the break, buffet. So it is what it is before it was what it was. This is the real Nizi Nasmik, the MC with the Hennessy scheme sized. And this show is called Angisakufuni. Lalela ziyakhala ziyatetema ziku loudspeaker. And it does not end here. I do have Untogozo, and she's going to come inside onto the show, and she's going to tell us a little bit about herself, what she's doing, and if she knows Ukiven. Lalela, Mama Samfuni. We can't do anything about that. But can we please give Untogozo a warm and beautiful welcome onto the show? Hi, Togozo. How are you?
I'm good.
I'm good. Why do you look so shy?
I'm just surprised why I'm out here.
Okay, seeing a lot of cameras.
Yeah.
I think you're seeing your man as well.
Yeah.
I like the smile. Now I understand why you say you are attracted to the smile. I see. Togozo, welcome to our show today. Do you probably know why you're here?
No.
Okay. All right. So, well, first of all, thank you for joining us today. And I'd definitely like for you to please kindly tell us about yourself. Who's Ntogozo? What do you do? Where do you come from? Zikipan.
I'm Ntogozo. I'm also from Limpopo.
Okay.
I'm a waitress. Yeah.
Nice. So you're making your own money.
Yeah.
Nice, Ntogozo. And I mean, being a waitress, you meet a lot of people.
Yeah.
Right? At the same time as well. Mm-hmm. And you meet all sorts of people. Big, small, tall, dark, handsome, short. On top of that and everything else combined. So what would you say your type is?
My type. as you can see, like I'm still young. So yeah, I would like to have someone who is maybe at the same age group as mine.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So, do you know him?
Yeah, I do.
Okay. And who is he to you?
He's my boyfriend.
He's your boyfriend. Nice. Do you guys live together?
Yeah.
Okay. And how has your relationship been?
Our relationship is just fine.
Is it?
Yeah.
That's nice. Is there money involved?
Yeah, we're both working.
Okay. So, Wakhe.
Obviously.
Lalela. That's nice. It's good to know. Good to Wakhe. And then when maybe once upon a time in a blue moon, let me take you out for lunch.
He has all the money, so I should.
You don't need to.
Yeah.
You've got all the money, so you don't need to.
Yeah.
Okay, that's interesting. And would you say you go to Yamtanda?
Yeah, I do.
Why you got to at Daltanyan?
I do. How much? How can I be telling Kabanga every day?
Okay. And then what do you think is maybe the core problem that you guys are facing? Do you think you have problems in your relationship?
Yeah, I think he's cut.
Okay.
Because most of the time I'll be working and he's working, and I'm a shift away to that not cooperating. Like we see, one attended soup with us. So yeah.
Okay. And then do you think cut is the only thing that is a problem in your relationship?
No, but okay. As you can see, he's a bit older than me, so some of the things he's not performing.
Keyword, performing. Okay, I don't want to go deep into this performance kind of thing because there's a lot of things that one person cannot perform in or rather can perform in. But I mean, Ntokozo, in this relationship, how long have you been together?
We are turning 2 years.
Ooh, you didn't tell me about that. That's nice. So you guys are 2 years old in this relationship, and do you think it's still going strong?
No. Because we fight a lot now, and we're having trust issues.
Okay.
Yeah.
Trust issues. Have you cheated before?
No.
Okay. You've never cheated before?
Yeah.
Serious.
Yeah.
Okay, let's just take it between you and me. You've never cheated before?
I've only cheated once. Though. Yeah.
Okay, once at least. All right, so I'm just going to give it to your man. I'm going to allow him to tell you why you're here and just explain everything. And then we can talk it through and have a conversation. Is that okay?
Yeah.
That's fine.
It's fine.
Okay, Given?
I brought you here today because of what has been going on. I know we've got love, we love each other, but there are things that are happening which I find that I'm not comfortable with. I've seen you've been dropped by different cars, and sometimes you don't take my calls. I wonder what's been happening. So I came here to tell you that I won't be continuing in this relationship with you. Angisakufuni.
Really?
Yes. I'm sorry to say
I've been like all this.
No, all that doesn't matter.
Really?
What matters is the heart.
So are you trying to tell me that you're not happy?
I'm not happy with you getting attention.
Dropped, that's my boss. What do you mean? And how do you expect me to answer phone what I'm at work?
No, you can go to the loo.
Do I call you when you are having a meeting?
Of course.
But you don't answer.
I do answer. I do come back to you.
Yeah. I'm always busy. Our work is different.
You cannot be always busy. Just to say hi, I missed your call, I will come back to you. I was still busy.
I'm a waitress.
You're telling me
it's
what
either
I know.
If I'm not working, I'm tired.
So you're tired. Your phone is so heavy that you cannot even lift it up and say, baby, I'm tired. When
so
you're tired,
that's what you want to hear?
If you tell me that you're busy or you're
always
tired,
I'm gonna tell you and be like, babe, I'm tired, like I can answer your call.
or you can text, which you don't do.
Okay.
So plus those cars which are dropping you, I know.
My colleagues.
It's like I've got a satellite, I can feel that now. Your colleagues, waiters don't have cars.
What?
Waiters don't have
Why
cars.
are you discriminating us?
I'm not discriminating you. I'm just saying, I think you are not ready to build.
Okay.
Yes, so that's why I'm saying no. I don't want to fight with you. You can maybe remain with the apartment. I'll move out. Maybe I'll give you 3 months to get your own place, and then, of course, I'll pay for
Are you
the
having someone
accommodation.
new?
No way. I don't cheat.
How sure
I'm gonna
am I?
just take a break on these relationship things, and then I'll continue with whoever I'll meet. Maybe after a year or 2.
Yo, excuse me, yo. Can I just join into the conversation? Thank you so much for telling her what you are going through and how you want to go about it. Ngizwe izinto ezishokhayo la. For starters, the call thing. The call thing is that's like my first pointer. So in terms of calls and communication, rather than time, are we noticing that communication also is a problem?
Yeah.
It is a problem, yes.
Okay. So you guys don't communicate a lot.
No.
Yeah.
Okay. And then indaba yama phone. Why don't you get back to him when you see a missed call?
The thing is, like, I'm working over time, so like I'm trying to make money, and he doesn't know that I'm working overtime. So if like says pelile is katsam, and then I'm gonna do extra money,
Why doesn't he know that you're working overtime?
he's no longer going to give me the full girlfriend allowance.
So if he knows that you are working overtime, he's going to take away girlfriend allowance.
No, he will give me, but it's no longer gonna be the same.
Have you spoken to him about it?
No.
Okay. Were you going to cut off the girlfriend allowance?
No.
You were not going to do that.
Look, if I don't care whether she was working or she was not, I will still take care of her anyway.
Okay.
So money is not a problem.
Money is not a problem. So
infidelity is a problem.
okay, which it's true. Asfuni, infidelity in a relationship, right? And it breaks a lot of relationships, just to be frank and honest.
Yes.
But in terms of you saying that waitresses don't have cars, that was my shocker. They don't have cars at all.
Rather, let me say most.
Most of them.
Yes, most.
Ziyakhala. So kusho ukuthi wena abakho banemoto basethe ba right.
I also have a car, like I doesn't know.
Did he buy you that car?
Yeah.
Okay, so
like,
yeah,
it's on service, so that's why.
Would drop you off.
Yeah.
Okay.
I didn't know the car was on service.
You guys are living together and you didn't. What's happening
Who's
here?
ignorant between the two of us?
You now Kulum.
Who didn't?
Now you don't ask. So you don't ask. You don't
say.
say.
At work.
Okay.
It's either meetings or like phone calls. So like he's ignorant. So that's why I was having someone who is my type.
So
Okay.
you are agreeing now that you are busy with somebody else.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
And then is this person in the same age group as you?
Yes.
Is this the boss that you were talking about?
No.
Is this the colleague that you were talking about? So it's not anybody from work.
Yeah.
It's someone outside.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Somebody she's serving there.
Someone she's serving.
How
Yeah.
do you know?
Of course, where else would you get somebody? In the taxi.
So what because I believe that because you're a BEE and you make your own money, you make your own time. How often do you do these meetings? How often do you try to secure the bag?
It will depend on the client that I'm meeting.
Okay.
Some have got time after work, some have got time in the morning.
Okay.
So that's why my time with her, they clash.
Okay.
So we live together, but we don't really live together.
Okay, so you're basically guys living like brother and sister.
Yeah.
When do you get time to cuddle and coziness and do the things? When do you get the time? Have you ever tried to make time? Because I believe being in your space of work, you you get the off nyana, that one day off. And if you're working night shift, then you have the morning and midday to give ama morning glory and ama midday glory. And I also believe that you also have the time, because you make your own time, to give and serve what she needs.
I'm flexible with time. Yeah, but you find that sometimes they need me when she's at home.
Okay.
Yeah, my meetings are when maybe she's...
One round unyana. Just to say I'll be running late, just one round.
No, that's not.
Okay, okay. So what I'm understanding here is there's no compromise between the two of you guys.
No, there's no compromise.
There's no compromise. No. And I'm also understanding that there's no communication between the two of you guys.
Yeah.
I'm also understanding there's no time. 3 things I'm picking up.
Yeah. And
performance and services. And maybe I don't want to say
that one. I would disagree with.
Which one?
Performances and service.
Okay.
Okay. I know myself.
Okay, that's understandable. So are you still sure, Woodsie, you don't want her anymore?
Yes, I'm still sure. I know. I'm done. I'll see what I do in the future.
Okay.
I see somebody to get to in the future.
Okay. Are you going to try and make up, or you are danko?
No, I'm fine. Danko.
So you have mutak dambi kanjalo nje?
Yeah, I'm cool.
Because I told you, already she's committed somewhere else. That's why this is not a problem.
No, like you dumping me, so why are you making all these things?
So bigger with this guy?
Yeah.
Okay, you're going to find someone else?
I'll find somebody else. After 2 years maybe.
Do we leave it as Angisakufuni vele?
Yeah, Angisakufuni.
Are we going to make up or break up?
I think it's a breakup. That's what he wants.
That's what I want. Break up.
Okay. Yeah, this is how we're going to end it. But it's not a makeup, it's definitely a breakup. And basamufuni, because a girl is getting the services somewhere else in Tangazaki. It is what it is. Before it was what it was. But I guess it's Pelela Lapo. This was Angisakufuni on CMTV SA, and this is the real news in Asbik. The MC with the Hennessy Schemes heist. Next time, same place. Danko is the place to be. Lalela.